I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook croaker fish. First, ensure your croaker is impeccably clean, removing all scales and internal organs. Pat it completely dry with paper towels. This is crucial for achieving that desirable crispy skin. Next, make 2 or 3 shallow diagonal cuts on each side of the fish. Finally, season it generously with salt, black pepper, and any preferred herbs or spices to enhance its natural flavor. For a delicious pan-fried croaker, heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once the oil shimmers, carefully place your seasoned fish into the pan. Cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes on each side, or until it develops a beautiful golden brown crust and the flesh flakes easily. The ideal internal temperature for cooked fish is 145 degrees Fahrenheit. If you prefer a healthier approach, baking is an excellent choice. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange your seasoned croaker on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper to prevent sticking. Bake for about 15 to 20 minutes, adjusting the time based on the fish's thickness. The croaker is perfectly cooked when its flesh is entirely opaque and flakes effortlessly with a fork. Serve your freshly cooked croaker immediately with a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice to brighten its flavors. It pairs wonderfully with a variety of sides, such as roasted seasonal vegetables, fluffy rice, or a crisp, light salad. Garnish with some fresh parsley or cilantro for an extra touch of color and aroma. While best enjoyed fresh, any leftovers can be safely refrigerated for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.